Hi everybody and welcome to my channel. My name is Andrew and this is Renovation and Restoration. If you've not been here before, it's a channel dedicated to renovation and restoration projects that are ongoing in the southwest of France that I'm involved with. So they'll either be at my house doing all the stuff that I need to do, or they'll be at friends' houses who are helping them. We're now in 24 and I'm starting a new project for January, February and March, which is the swimming pool that you can just about see behind me here. You may have seen a couple of shorts showing it panning around. I've now drained the pool and I'm now starting to plan what I need to do. It's basically a 5-phase project. Phase 1 is reducing the depth. Phase 2 is removing all the existing lining, which is fiberglass and has failed because it's 30 years old. Phase 3 is replacing all the plants, pumps, filters, jets, skimmers, lights, etc. all into the new plant room. Phase 4 will be applying a new waterproof membrane all the way around it, which I think is going to be a 2-part epoxy primer from Germany. And then phase 5 will be just a reinstatement of all the work. So that's going to keep me busy for a few months. And then I've got lots of other projects, lots of other videos coming up throughout the year of my place and other projects. So click on subscribe, click on notify, you'll find the new videos coming to you and enjoy.